Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing my spring decor with you. And if you are new, hi, my name is Dawn. Welcome to my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and like this video if you did like it. I'm gonna start in my living room, but first I wanted to go ahead and talk about something fun that me and my friend Amanda are doing over on Instagram. I will go ahead and put my Instagram below so you can head on over and check out the details. But we are starting a Dunn decor tour that will run Monday through Wednesday. And if you're interested in entering to be a co-host with us, go ahead and check out the details on one of our Instagrams. Like I said, I put my Instagram below, but I will put Amanda's information in the description box as well. If you guys are not following her, you should go check out her page. She does a lot of fun Dunn stuff and decor and all that fun stuff, like similar to what I do. I guarantee you guys will love her, and she also has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna go ahead and get started in my living room. So I'm gonna back up a little bit and show you what the fireplace looks like. I decided to do some touches of pink here and also some florals to tie in the whole spring look. I will go ahead and get closer so you can see what the mantle looks like. I just really love how this turned out. I'm a big fan of the color pink. If you guys don't know, I mean, most of you who are here probably know that by now. I'm gonna start over here, and it might be a little glary. There we go, I'll get a little side view of it. But I got this miniature greenhouse off of Macari, and the flowers came with it too. There is a close-up of what it looks like, and then there's the flowers. Just so adorable. Next to that, I put my Dunn nest birdhouse with the little ceramic bird. These birds I did get from Hobby Lobby last year. They probably still have them this year. Next to that, I have the Dunn home clock, and I was so happy when I found this in the store. I think it was like beginning of the year or a few months before that, but it's just so adorable. And then behind that, I have this window frame, and that is from the Target dollar spot. I got that a couple months ago. And then I put the lamb's ear wreath from Hobby Lobby right in the middle. Next to that, I did another one of those little birds. And then I have the Dunn Love birdhouse, and I just turned it around to show those cute little birds right there. They are just so adorable. So I like that this birdhouse is a dual purpose birdhouse. Next to that, I just have the bloom sign from the dollar spot. I think it was last year. I have a medium-sized Dunn canister just turned around, and I used it as a vase. And then I've just got these pink flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. And down at the base of the fireplace, that's what that looks like. Over here, I have my Hobby Lobby chair that I was so happy I found right before all the Corona stuff started. And then I got the fresh cut flowers sign. That was from the Target dollar spot in 2018, I believe. And I wound up buying it off Macari because she had it displayed with this little watering can. So I was like, this is really cute. So I wanted both of them. The watering can I got from Macari from the same seller who I bought the greenhouse from. And then I have some of those same little flowers in it. And over here, I have my Dunn boxes. I actually only have 2 of them displayed. I thought that it was gonna be too much and too high to have all 3 of them. But I really like how they look. And then I just have my greenery and my home pillow there. The home pillow I got from the Target dollar spot. I can't remember exactly when, last year at some point. Moving over to this side of the room, I wanted to show you guys, I finally finished this side right here. That's what it looks like. So I wound up getting a chair, and this chair that I got right here is from Wayfair. I'm getting closer so you guys can see the pattern. It's got little dandelions on it. I thought it was so, so cute. And the gray matches the color scheme of our house. We also have a gray couch, so I thought that that would tie it in nicely. The buffalo check pillowcase, I got that from Amazon. I will link some of this stuff below, especially the Amazon stuff, so you guys can check it out. And then I just have this pretty throw blanket right here. I don't know if it's gonna come off on camera very well, but it's got sparkles in it. Let's see if I get really close. You can see it a little bit. It's just super pretty. I can't remember which store I got it. It was either Marshall's, Home Goods, or TJ Maxx. You know, I shop at all those stores, so it was one of those that I got it at last year. Next to the chair, I have this end table that I got from Wayfair as well. Wayfair is pretty awesome, you guys. They send you stuff quickly and their prices are good. And most of the time, the furniture is either put together or it's really easy to put together. On the top of the table, I have this really cute industrial looking lamp. And the bulb is actually off right now, but it looks like it's on. I got an Edison bulb and put it in there. It's really pretty. I thought it matched everything just so well. And I like especially that it's white. And I like how the cover for the bulb is clear. So it's just really pretty in my opinion. And then I just have one of the marble candles from Bath & Body Works. Next to that, I have this pretty tulip arrangement that I found at Marshall's. Down at the bottom, I just have that little succulent plant that I found at the Target dollar spot probably like 2 years ago. I had some fake books down there. I need to get some more from Hobby Lobby when they go on sale because I wound up moving the ones that I had down there. And then above that, I have this really pretty picture. See if I can get the glare off of it. But I got that from Hobby Lobby. I think it's just so gorgeous. It's just pink and white and a little bit of gold in there. And I thought that tied into the space really nicely. Next to that area, I just have my white couch right here. I did wind up purchasing some new pillow covers. I had told you guys in my last decor haul video or the home updates video that I did want to get some pillow covers because the pillows, I put the pillows that I already had in those covers, but they would get so dirty and they were such a pain in the butt to throw in the washer. So I just wanted to get some covers for them so that way it'd be easier just to take the covers off and wash those. That is what the white one looks like. And they are super soft. They're kind of suede-like. And then this pink one, I just love the pattern on it. And these are a little more, not rough, but they're not like as soft as those, but they're still really pretty. I will link those below so you guys can check them out if you want to. And I can't remember exactly what size I got. I think it was the 24 by 24, and the pillows fit in there good as long as I fluff them up. I don't think they had a 22 by 22 option. I think that would have been a little better, but overall I like how they turned out. Next to that on my other end table, and this end table is from Wayfair too. I got this one like over a year ago. On top of here, this is how I have it set up. I just have that candle from Bath & Body Works and then that little tree stump candle holder, and that is from Bath & Body Works like 2 falls ago. I have the 2 little pink target birds, my Ray Dunn tweet bird house, and then I got that book stack from Macari or Depop, I can't remember, like last year. And then I have another Ray Dunn canister just turned backwards, a medium-sized one, using it as a vase, and then just some pretty flowers in there. Down there I just have a basket. I got that basket from Home Goods last year. Above that, I wound up hanging a little picture right there. It's just an and sign in leaves. I thought it's cute. It's from Hobby Lobby. Up above on the shelves, I just have some of those fake books, a pink globe, and 2 little vase jars. The books and the globe are from Hobby Lobby, and then those 2 little jars right there, they're from the dollar spot this year at Target. And over here on our gray couch, there's Bella. She's always hanging out in my videos. I just have 2 more of those white pillowcases, and then another one of those pink buffalo check pillowcases from Amazon. And just moving over here, I just have the same little chest with the pillows, our gallery wall. And then over here, I did wind up adding a picture above our TV. So it says, "Let's stay home." And I did wind up getting that off of Etsy. I will put their shop below because they make really nice signs. And then I hung these sconces next to them, and these actually do light up. I'll show you guys what they look like in a minute lit up, but I got them from Amazon. That is what they look like lit up. They are just so pretty, especially at nighttime. Just look at how beautiful. They have those little fairy lights in there, and they only take 2 AA batteries, and also they do have a timer on them. So the timer, I timed it, lasted 6 hours, and then the next day it just turned on at the same time. So I thought that was really cool. So I really love how this turned out above our TV. And I'm just gonna kind of show you guys an overview look of our living room. I just am really in love with our new living room. I think it's just so pretty. I mean, I loved our old living room, but I just really like this. I like especially the fireplace. And I do plan on adding something above the couch. I'm actually gonna put some pictures up there with some other things around it. I just haven't gotten around to doing that quite yet. Moving on to our kitchen, I wanted to show you the wreath I put on our pantry door. I got this wreath from Hobby Lobby. It's just a really simple green wreath with some white flowers on it. I just thought this was really pretty to just have up there. I don't know if I'm gonna change it for summer, but I think it just fits really well and is pretty neutral for spring and for any time really. Moving on to the countertops, I just wanted to show you guys how I displayed things over here. I kind of changed it up a bit. So if you watched my last haul, you saw I got this cute little olive oil bottle from the Target dollar spot. And then I wound up changing what was on the little tree stump right there. Some of the other pieces I had on there, I moved to different displays. So I'm also waiting for, in the mail, the little scoops that you can use, the tiny little wooden scoops, and I'll put them here with the display as well. Moving on to the other side of the countertops. Here's a close-up of my little shelf here. So I did wind up putting the measuring cup. I think I had the measuring cups up there for the Easter tour, but I put the pink measuring cups up there, and then I have the pink mini bake dish there. And I wound up changing the bowls here. I had the colorful Easter ones. So I did leave the pink Crack Me Up bowl, and then I just put one of my white ones there. I left the pink whisk there, and then the Farm Fresh vase with the pink tulips. And those pink tulips are from Amazon as well. I'll link them below. And I just put this really pretty flower, wall flower here from Bath & Body Works. And then over here on the windowsill, it'll probably get a little dark, but I do have the Dunn bloom stems and flower vases right there. We did wind up finally getting blinds for this window, so I just wanted to kind of move things around and just keep it really simple. And then next to the window, this pretty much looks the same, I believe, from the last one. I just took away all the Easter mugs, but I have the Hello Spring pink teapot there, and then I just put some of the cappuccino mugs and just a couple of other mugs up there. And there's a look at what the wall mug rack looks like. I pretty much left that the same. I did wind up adding my little donut sign up there. I did have that hanging on the wall in the kitchen of our old house, and I really wanted to put it somewhere, so I put it up there. And I think it looks just really cute, kind of like a coffee and donuts vibe. And then also over here on top of the window seat, I did wind up adding the Eat sign that is from Hobby Lobby, and the fork and spoon that I used to have over our old coffee bar. I put that up there. Let me see if I can get the light to hit it better. I got back a little bit to see if the light would hit it better, but it doesn't really do it justice, but it looks really cute. I'm happy with how it turned out. And that fork and spoon is also from Hobby Lobby. And then I just wanted to show you an overview on the top of my cabinets again. I showed you guys in the last video, but I just wanted to show you how I have all the Dunn displayed up there. And I'm going to start the cabinet painting project probably in the next weekend or so. So excited, and also dreading it because it's a pain, but it's gonna look so much better. That's how I have all the Dunn displayed. I also have my fresh colander up there with some bananas and all that good stuff. And then over on the other side of the kitchen, that's what our kitchen table looks like. Get a little bit of a closer view so you can see how I set up the centerpiece here. I just love how the pink and white looks together. I did get this table runner from Amazon. And then the tray that holds the pictures, I got it from Hobby Lobby, and I did wind up painting it. So if you're looking for it, it's like in the regular section in the back, like the craft section, and it's like a light wood, the whole thing. And I used white chalk paint for the tray and gray chalk paint for the handles. And then the 3 Dunn pictures, and then these beautiful bouquets from Hobby Lobby. They're like in the bridal section. They're just so pretty. And we still need to set up the 2 other chairs in the back of the table. We used to have a bench, but we wound up getting rid of the bench. Also in the kitchen on our island, this is a little centerpiece that I have displayed. So I kept the bloom canister from Easter with another one of those little bouquets. And then I just kept one of the bunnies out from Easter and put it in there. This bunny is so cute. It's got little pink ears. I got the bunny from TJ Maxx. And over there on my stove, I forgot to show you guys, I have those really cute little donut towels that I got from Home Goods, I think like last Valentine's Day. Then over here to the side, in between kind of the living room and entryway, I did wind up hanging that home sign above the little nook. Someone had suggested to put a wreath up there because I thought it looked kind of plain, and I had that sign, so I thought that was perfect. This is the display I have there in the little nook. I have the small heart canister, the little pour pitcher with the white tulips from Amazon, little bird, and then the pink nest birdhouse from Dunn. And in the entryway, nothing has really changed much in here. The only thing that I added was this pink pillow that I've had. I got that pink pillow from Kirkland's like 2 years ago. Above that, I added the window mirror that I had in our last house. Moving on to the coffee bar. So here is an overall look of it, just kind of from a little far back. I can't really get a good shot of it very close, but I am gonna get close up. So I decided to stick with a pink and white theme, and it's kind of like spring and Mother's Day themed. So I just have these mugs up here. I have the I Love Mom mug, Home is Where Mom Is, Mom, Home Sweet Home, and hashtag Mom Life. Underneath on the top shelf, I have just the regular heart mug on my Keurig. This little display, I figured it was cute because it was like a tea setup. You know, Mother's Day, sometimes you have tea. So I thought that was a cute little idea. So I put my steep teapot there, sugar and milk, little cookies, plate, and then the tea cappuccino mug. I just really like how simple and fresh that looks with all the white. And I did keep this pretty simple for spring and Mother's Day. It's going to be all decked out for summer and then fall and then all the other holidays. And then over here, I just have the Love Grows Here sign from the Target dollar spot. I think it was last year, and 2 of the Target spring birds from last year. Next to that, I just have the pink cake stand from the Target dollar spot. I did get that sometime this year, I believe. And then I have another Dunn canister turned backwards as a vase. This is one of the small canisters, one of the babies. I put some pink flowers in there. Those flowers are from Joann's. And then I just put this candle here. The candle holder is from Bath & Body Works. I got that one like 2 years ago. And then just a white candle in there. Now moving on to the shelves. This is what the first shelf looks like. So I just decided to do the simple coffee and tea canisters, my honey pot, and then the pink heart egg cups with some little bunnies in them. Onto the middle shelf, I have the Hello Spring sign by Dunn, a little bird on top, and then a pink watering can. The pink watering can is from Hobby Lobby. I got that last year around springtime. Moving on to the bottom shelf, I just decided to keep some of my bunnies out because they are just so adorable and I was not ready to put them away. So I just decided to theme it like sweet little nicknames that you would call somebody. So that is it for my spring decor tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And again, don't forget to go ahead and follow me over on Instagram so you can see pictures of all of my decor and the fun stuff that I have going on with my friend Amanda. And let me know in the comments what color you guys are decorating with for spring, if you even decorated for spring or if you just went straight from Easter to summer decor. I love to chat with you guys about those things. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.